have a lot of old seeds. I'm talking like clear back to 2021. I don't know how they're going to germinate, but I wanted to try to use them anyway. So I decided to mix up some wildflower and cut flower mixes. I just grabbed these packets, and on the back it had a list of everything that was included. So I just pulled those out of my stock and dumped them in these cute little jars. Right now I'm working on my cut flower mix. But how stinking cute is this? These little jars are perfect, and it's going to have a nice little assortment for all the bees and the butterflies. I don't expect all of these to grow, but if I can even get half of these to actually produce flowers, I'll have a beautiful spread of plants in my garden. I also decided to go through all of my older vegetable seeds, and I started to combine some of my bean seeds, my corn, and my pumpkins. The corn is a mixture of ornamental and sweet corn, and again, these are all from at least 2020 to 2023. And all of the pumpkins, same thing, but I have a huge variety. So not only is this going to be fun because I'm not going to have any idea what kind of pumpkins I'm growing, but it's going to be beautiful chaos.